Our underbar sink with bottles and cups holder. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 36 inches, a depth of 23 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. Measurements for the compartment to store your bottles, cups, and mugs. We have 36 inches in length, 4 inches in depth, and 5 inches tall with bracket. Measurements for the center sink interior. We have 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. Measurements for the left and drain board will include 11 inches in length by 15.5 inches in depth. Measurements apply to the left and right drain board. Strainer will be included along with the swivel head faucet. Swivel head faucet, we have 8 inches in the spout, and your left and right mounts, we have 4 inches. Top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.